It's New Car Tuesday on a Tuesday. I'm actually heading to work as well after I pick this car up. But we're heading to Copart, China Grove. We're going to get ourselves a new car. Freezing my tits off. Got gloves, got everything ready to go. Check the trailer. Oh, this fucking current bun was right in my face. Yep. Trailer looks good. Gotta make sure you get the straps. But it's New Car Tuesday. On a Tuesday. Pretty sure the strap's in there. If there's not, we're fucked. Oh, it's fucking cold. I think it's about 32, right? So it's freezing. It's warmed up to freezing. I'm at the Copart yard. You can see these Muppets back here. So I'm just waiting to get loaded. Didn't take long to get here. Hour, less. Freaking Copart. I cannot buy a car from Copart without the freaking forklift drivers beating the snot out of it. This bumper was perfect in the pictures. I tell you what, freaking Copart. Bunch of Muppets. What do you think? I don't think it's locked, I think. Ooh. Factory Brambos. Front and rear, look at that. Yeah, this car is rear wheel drive, right? Miss, we can do donuts in this one.
Yay!
You want to do some donuts, Ed?
Yeah. Let's do donuts.
It's 2.0 Turbo R-Spec. I don't know what R-Spec is. Probably some interior crap. Bob. Came from Bob's.
What's Bob's?
Oh, look. This guy's a gun nut. He's got an NRA sticker. Not too shabby, huh? Brand new tires. That's cool. We don't have to put tires on it. Jeez, they look like winter tires, maybe. I don't know. Look, they hit these cars. Oy, freaking Copart, man. Okay, the new project car is in the shop or in the garage. I had my kids out there helping me. We shoved it in here. So I've only looked at this car for like 5 or 10 minutes. So you're seeing it for the first time as I am. So interior wise, super nice. You know, not too much wear on the seats. Yeah, definitely seems nice. It's got 68,000 miles. The battery's completely spanked. Somebody stole the gear knob. Losers. Yeah, people go to Copart and look at stuff and steal stuff. So, bunch of losers. I don't know how them seats. Let's see if I can quickly. There you go. So that's how that seat goes forward. Yeah, I don't really know how the seats work, but there's the back. Looks like there's car seats in it. So, which is a good sign for a rear-wheel drive car. It definitely was car seats in it. So, yeah, this guy or girl, whoever it was, she's not going to drive it like a freaking animal with her kids in it. You know, all the body panels. Look, it's kind of hard to tell because it's so dirty and it's way too cold to wash it. But the tires on it, they are brand new. I mean, brand spanking new. Like, got them installed and then something happened. Yeah, I still don't know what's wrong with this car. But they're brand new, all 4 of them. No idea what's coming through. There you go. All 4 tires, brand new. So that's cool. It's always nice when you don't have to buy tires. I haven't even looked at the motor or anything yet. I'll give you a look at the front of it there. So that's what, you know, whole car, I guess. Fucking Copart. Fucking forklifts. See that? The bunch of fucking idiots. It pisses me off. There was absolutely nothing wrong with that bumper when I looked at it. And now I go to pick it up and look at it. Fucking destroyed. Fucking Copart wankers. Other than that, there's no major damage on any of these panels, except the driver's side rear. I did see a little, well, there's a tiny little dent in the door. I'm probably not even going to get it on the camera. It's a tiny little mark somewhere here. And then here, there's a little dent. And I might try and get that out with my paintless dent remover at some point. Yeah. Not anytime soon. There's our ass end. And this one's a, they call it an R Spec. R must be a pirate. I have no idea what R Spec means. Probably doesn't mean anything. Maybe it's got red and black leather seats. Maybe that's what that means. I don't know. Don't know. It's probably got a few more electrical things than the one below it, I guess. All in all, it's a nice little car. No moonroof in it, which I'm totally fine with. The son and I don't get along, so. So you know what I know about this car. That's it. I just wheeled it off the trailer, brought it in here, and headlights need done. No big deal. Look pretty easy on this. So that's what I got, right? I'm not gonna mess around with this tonight. It's late. I'll start tomorrow. A couple of things I did notice: the air box, you know, didn't get clipped back in. I would assume this car was at a shop. The shop said it needs whatever, engine, whatever, and the owner said, "Hey, insurance company, my car needs a $8,000 engine. It's worth 10. Give me a check," right? I would think that's what's happened here. Yeah, I don't know. I have no clue what's wrong with this. It seems to be fairly unmolested. Like if you just looking at it, right? Like you're looking for telltale signs, like who did what to it, you know, what's been taken off, what's been checked, all that stuff. It really looks fairly unmolested. I can't see where anybody's been poking around, other than that air box, you know, the oil cap's been off, that kind of stuff. That's normal stuff. All the fluids are good. Just looking at them here, I don't know about engine oil or coolant. Well, power steering, brake fluid, all that stuff's good. Nobody's touched it. Yeah, I'm gonna throw a battery charger on it, and ECU's sitting right there. That's weird. It's not protected or anything. Yeah, I'm gonna throw a battery charger on it. I'm not going to try and start this car. That'd be really stupid. There's a whole bunch of things that are, you know, running through my mind right now of what I'm going to do to this and how I'm going to approach it. The battery's dead. The first thing, let's get that charged, right? While that's charging, I'll do a fast charge on it tonight, or a trickle charge on it overnight tonight, and if need be, a fast charge on it later. It does have half a tank of fuel, so I did notice that. I don't know how long it's been sitting around, so it's probably bad fuel. I believe, just looking at this, I don't know, you know, I'm sure somebody will correct me if they see this and I'm wrong, because the internet loves to do that to you. Just looking at it, it does look like it's a time and chain engine, not a time and belt engine. So it's unlikely that the chain broke. I mean, it could have jumped teeth, it could have done anything like that, but it's unlikely that it broke. And I'm just basing that on looking at the front cover, right? It's an aluminum cover. Looks like it's sealed. So normally that means there's a chain and guides that are lubricated with oil constantly. Yeah, I really don't know anything else other than that. I didn't look it up. I didn't do anything. So what I'll do, like I said, is plug the battery in, whatever, and then tomorrow I'll go through my process. You know, this thing I'll crank it over by hand. I'll make sure, yeah, I'll pull the plugs out of it. I'll look at them and smell them, see, see if there's anything going on there. You could pull the plug out, cylinder could be full of antifreeze, right? I mean, it could be anything. Don't know. Looking at that engine, it does look like it's going to be extremely easy to change if it does need an engine. Hopefully not, but if it does, it looks very simple. Doesn't look like there's a lot to it. If you've ever done a Subaru engine, I can take a Subaru motor out in about 40 minutes, and I can put a new one in about the same, about 40 minutes. And that's just the motor, right? They make it easy. They get these big plugs at the back. It makes it super easy to pull it out. There's really not much to it. You know, that's not including filling the radiator, putting all that stuff, all the shrouds back on it. I'm just talking about the engine, in and out, about 40 minutes. So this looks to be very easy. Yeah, so it's a mystery. I don't know what's wrong with it. I've been debating whether or not to bother recording, fixing this one. I don't know. It was kind of fun when I did the BMW. And it's fun when I do little jobs like, you know, brakes, rotors and pads, or, you know, welding something together, or I don't know. Those are fun. It's an awful lot of work and an awful lot of talking. I don't do a lot of talking, just in general as a person. It's an awful lot of talking when you make these video series. I don't make these YouTube videos for money or anything. I've got all that stuff turned off on my YouTube channel. So, you know, you should never see an ad. I'm not making a penny, and I never should make a penny. This is just me dicking around and shit that I would be doing anyway, right? I don't go buy cars to make YouTube videos. No fucking way, right? This is just what I do in between my day job, and you know, because I enjoy it. I'm starting to not enjoy it because I'm recording it. So I don't know. Maybe I might just be in a funk. I might get over it. We'll see. So I may or may not record this one. I'm gonna take a look at it. Actually, my daughter's birthday's tomorrow, Thursday. I'll take a look at it.